Hello little chess champs. Are you ready to learn about castling? One of the most unique and special move in chess. Let's dive in and discover how this clever move can keep your king safe and activate your rook at the same time. Let's go. Castling. Castling is a special move where two pieces, the king and the rook, move at the same time. It is the only move like this in chess. Why castling is so important? Keep your king safe. The king moves to the cozy spot behind its pawn and activate the rook so the rook gets ready to attack or defend. There are two types of castling. The number one is king side castling. This is called as short castling. The king move two square towards the king side rook and the rook jump over the king to the next to it. For example, so white is on e1, so it goes to g1 and the rook moves from h1 to f1. So how it moves? It moves from h1 to f1. We can see another example. The king moves from e8 to g8 and the rook moves from h8 to f8. So like this. This shows both white and black castling on king side, and it has a notation we need to write like this. Now we can talk about queen side castling. The king moves two square towards queen side rook. The rook jump over the king. For example, for white, e1 it goes to c1 and rook from a1 it goes into d1. Same like this, e8 to c8 and a8 to it will come into d8. This shows white queen side castling, and it can be written in notation like this. So what happened after castling? The king is tucked away from the safety in the corner. The rook become active, ready for attack or defense. Key points to remember about castling. Condition for castling: neither king or rook involved can have moved earlier in the game. So king or rook, it should not move earlier in the game. Condition number one. And condition number two, the square between the king and the rook must be empty. Condition number three, the king must not be in check, must not pass through the square under attack, must not land in check. Who can castle? So white option, queen side castling, king moves from e1 to c1 and the rooks move from a1 to d1. This is called queen side castling. When it come into g1 and rook is coming to f1, then it will be a king side castling. Now see one more example. Let's say we will keep it here one piece. In this position, white side both castling is possible, but for black side In this scenario, black queen side castling is blocked by another piece. Yeah, it's a queen now. So it is not possible for queen side castling, but possible for king side castling. So fun fact about castling. Castling is one of the most important move in chess. It keeps your king safe and helps set up powerful attack. Knowing when and how to castle is a big step towards becoming a chess champ. Well done, little chess champ. Now you know all about castling, a move that both clever and strategic. Practice in your game and watch how it transforms your chessboard. Happy learning, little chess champ. See you in the next lesson.